Hello friends, today I want to share a recipe of butter masala milk. This is very nutritious and good for your gut. The ingredients are a little bit of chili, some ginger, pink salt, cumin seed, curd and glass of water. You also need a bowl to mix it all in and a mixer and some mint leaves. You can also use coriander leaves for this recipe too. So let's head on to our garden and get the mint leaves. So now we're at our garden, so I'll just pick some mint leaves. So I'll just get a little bit. So yeah, now let's head on back to the kitchen. So I got my mint leaves now right here. So the first step is to get some water, take the mint leaves, the ginger and the chili and put it all inside the bowl with some water and wait for the dirt to drop. So after the dirt drops, take the ginger out, the chilies out and the mint leaves out. The next thing you have to do is take the mint leaves and take this leaves off the stem like this. So I took these all. Now the next thing you have to do is take a knife, and this is a way to chop, means take the skin off ginger. So you need a blunt knife, not that blunt but a little blunt, and then just do this like this and just peel the excess off, or you can also do it with your finger, but that will take a long time. So this is the way I actually like to do it. It's really fun. The next thing you need is some curd. So you need to take your spoon and take out 2 tablespoons into the bowl. So I'm just gonna take them out. So this is 1 tablespoon and another one. The next things you need are the pink salt, the cumin powder and the water. So first you should take the water, then just pour it into the bowl. So I poured it. The next thing you need to do is take your ginger, drop it in, the chili drop it in, and then the mint leaves, just go crazy and drop them in. The next thing you need to do is take the cumin powder, and I have this type of spoon, so take a little bit, actually like a little small amount, like this much, and then just pour it in, and then get the pink salt like this and just grind it. Now I made it in, so now just take this spoon and just mix it a little bit. So then you're still gonna need the spoon, so keep it handy beside you. So next, even if you had the coriander leaves, you can also just drop it in and take it to the grinder. So this is the thing which I use. So now I just have to pour it in. So next I got it. So the next thing you need is the lid to cover it, and then you need to grind it. I have my grinder now, so I'll just drop this in place and then just have to mix it. So now I'm done making it. So I got the glass. Now I'm just going to take off this lid off. Take it off carefully or else it all will splatter everywhere. So this is the final result. So voila, you have a glass of fresh masala buttermilk. Thank you for watching this video, and please remember to subscribe, like and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any of our new videos. Bye.